this is Chris at Reactive Graphics, and today I'll take you through how to place an image into your WordPress page or post. First, you want to make sure that your image is easily accessible. As you can see, I have it on my desktop on the left here. You'll also want to make sure that you have your login details ready. So, if you go up to the URL bar and type in your domain, so for me it's reactivegraphics.co.uk, and then to log in you want /wp-admin. Now you'll see the login screen. Input your username and your password and log in. Right, now you're in the dashboard. You want to look along the left hand side here. So if you want to add a post, go to Posts, Add New, or what we're going to do today is go to Pages, hover over that, then Add New. Now you can define a heading, so I'll just call it Reactive Image Page. And this is the content area here, so if you type in something like this is a new page, anything really, then press return. Now you want to focus on Add Media, this button here, so click on that. Now you'll see the media library, so these are all our images in the back end of the website. Now if you grab your image and just drag it into the media library, make sure it's selected, then go to the bottom right and you see this blue button that says Insert into Page. Press that. Wow, so there's your image, but it's very big. So if you click on it, you'll see some options up here. So if you go to the little pencil icon that says Edit, click on that, and you'll be able to add a caption if you want. Type in some alternative text, which is great for SEO, so I'll just say Reactive Logo. And here you can decide whether you want to align the image left, right, or make it central, which is what I'll do now. Define the size, so I'll actually make it a custom size. So these are in pixels. So if you say, instead of 1200, let's make it 800 pixels wide. And then you can decide what that image links to. So you can either make it a custom URL to say link out to another website, but we're going to go with media file today. Okay, now down at the bottom, press the blue update button. Now, press the blue publish button on the right, or you can just save it as a draft. So I'm actually going to press publish now. Okay, now I can view the changes going up to the top to view page. And there it is, there's the picture. If you want, you can always go back to edit page and you'll be able to make more changes there. And that's it. If you have any ideas for future videos, do let me know in the comment section below. If you'd like to learn more about Reactive Graphics, check out reactivegraphics.co.uk.